What's up guys, Stixx Picks back in the video. We're here at the flea market and it is literally like, I don't want to say dead, but it's for surely a little bit dry, guys. So we'll see what is happening around this market today. How much you asked on the Xbox? How much is the PSP?
30. Oh, 25, huh?
You know if it works?
We don't have to charge it.
All right. Thank you. How much you selling this this drum set for?
You wanna buy the whole?
How much you asking for everything?
Give me 80 bucks. I have a nice plastic laptop. You can put everything here. You can give me 80 bucks. You can have the whole things, plastic keyboard and everything.
I'll have to think about it.
So when I sell it, each sell it like 15 to 20 bucks.
Hmm?
So this one I sell it like 15 to 20 bucks. Each one is like 6 or 7 piece.
Yeah. I'll think about it.
What do you do?
I'll give you 60 bucks right now.
Okay, good. Take it.
All right, thank you. I'm just saying because you know I buy these a lot all the time, and sometimes they don't work.
Go ahead.
Like
because this is a very nice condition.
They are in pretty good condition.
This good condition, everything.
One of the biggest issues I see is like these little bars being loose, but these are all pretty good. Do you mind if I like leave it here for like just a little bit?
You can just come back later.
All right, I appreciate that. I'll be back in like 30 minutes, probably 20 minutes. All right, well, I usually buy guitar guys, but I literally just bought, what was that, like 6 of them? I want a drum set. There's some other things too, like the little step for it, the drumsticks. I mean, I paid 60 bucks, and I think I can just sell that one guitar alone for, like one of them for 60 bucks alone, literally. So we'll make some money on that. We'll try and see what we can find. I saw this, but it's like beat up, you can tell. That's how much they're asking though. I guess it's obviously like not working. How much you guys asking for this this Game Boy? All right, 10 bucks on this. I mean, that's obviously fair. This thing is freaking beat up. Somebody could probably buy that and fix it, I bet. I can't fix it. I don't know how to fix it. I was just wondering, man. I appreciate it though. Sorry. You got a whole freaking PC setup over here. What the heck, guys? That's cool. I've never seen that. Hey, your guys' stuff?
Yeah.
How much you asking?
For everything, I'm selling. It says you can buy the whole thing. I'm selling for $9 bills. What's the specs on that?
Yeah. You know what's in there?
I'm sorry?
You know, like the specs in there?
You know what?
Or like at least just the graphics card, or maybe.
My brother built this one.
Oh, all right.
And like he's a big time gamer and stuff.
Yeah, it definitely looks like a nice setup and all. It definitely looks like a nice setup.
Yeah, he's a full like gamer and stuff. So
yeah.
I don't recall the specs on it. I just know that
it looks like top of the line. I was just wondering like exactly the specs.
And I was like, you know what, I'm like, dude, I'm like, if I could just sell it all for $9 bills, everything, like the whole, even the computer and everything, the desk and all that. I'll just
you'll hopefully find somebody. You know, you'll find somebody that's looking for a computer. I guess that's a good one. So, thank you, man.
Have a good day, bud.
Me too. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I never really see that good of a computer setup. Usually, you see some computers, you know, those scrap for parts, just the case and stuff. That was like a full-blown setup, you know. Oh snap!
Open it.
Open the whole thing?
Yeah, just open it. Pick out a mate.
All right, guys, let's open it.
That pack don't cost you 10 though. No, I'm just kidding.
No, packs are going up though. If you had like the Evolving Skies,
Yeah.
those ones are like $10.
They went for 10 now?
Yeah, I swear they are, something like that.
Open with you.
Are you open with me? Okay, we're gonna double pack. Okay.
But yeah, bro. That ain't bad, bro.
Let's see.
Yeah, 7 grams.
I see it. Pack paddle, it was good. It was good, something good. Oh, I got the white coat.
You got the white card? I got white card.
Come on.
I ain't get nothing.
Oh, whoa,
Oh,
whoa.
you still got something,
That's
dog.
what the heck? I mean,
I still got something too.
whoa. I mean, that actually looks like a full art. I don't know. That looks pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, just see what we pulling in.
I appreciate it. That was pretty cool.
The hard drive is worth 20 bucks.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. I couldn't hear the music. Might be in here.
Because there's a lot of people out here buying stuff. Okay, I'm not depending on you.
No, I was just asking if there's cords.
No, I don't think so. I don't know. I don't want you to take everything out of there.
Oh, you're good. Definitely gonna buy that PS3, guys. You guys know I probably would have bought that for 20, but that guy was, I don't know why he's acting rude about it right there. I was just chilling, you know? That off him. So I was definitely about to give him 20 bucks for that console. It looked to be good condition too, but I'm not gonna buy it. Those other 2 consoles he had, he's had those for several weeks. So I don't know if he is able to sell them, you know? How much on the games?
$5.
How much on the Game Boy?
25.
Do you know if it works? That's fair. That's fair.
Yeah.
How about these? How about the Advance?
This $10.
All right. That'd be sweet. These are on the best condition. What would your price be for all of these?
Give me 100.
You go 30 on just these 2?
No.
All right, I'll just.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate it. I'm not sure if it's like working.
Yeah.
It can easily not, but I'll take the gamble. This one like is pretty solid. That's why I'm down to, you know. It's not too bad. Thank you.
Thank you.
You have a good day. All right, I mean, that's pretty cool. Some people, like some game people, would definitely just sit there and, you know, buy them all. I don't exactly want to buy them for parts only. I don't like that. You guys let me know if you would have just straight up bought them all. Screw it. If you guys would have bought them all, let me know. Me personally, I don't know. Like, I don't know if these like work completely because the screen looks sort of yellowish to me, a bit more yellow than I would like. But I don't know if that's fine. It's an older console, of course, but I know I can make money on it for parts only. That's why I did it. I was hoping once she bundled it together, it would be cheaper, but she said 25. I think she said 25 a piece on those and then 10 a piece on these. And then there's 4 of these and 2 of these. So that was 50 or 4 of these. That was 90 bucks with the price she told me. And when I bundled it, she said 100. I was just hoping it'd be cheaper, but she made it a little more expensive. You know, I probably would have bought it all. How much you asking the board?
For everything, take 50 bucks.
That's good. I have no idea what size board I need. I snowboard, but I have no idea what size board I'd even need.
It's supposed to go to like here maybe.
When you get a board?
Stand it up, yeah.
You think I could do that real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you. I've been snowboarding more recently, so I would like to get a board because I guess it does add up over time buying, like renting a board every time. But I don't know what size board to get.
Ready to go?
I can walk around another lap, but if you guys want to go, I guess.
We're gonna head out, right? Yeah, I think there's nothing really nothing here. Did you buy anything?
Yeah, I have a bundle of guitars that I gotta pick up. Yeah, I thought that was cool.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. That's a freaking nice. That's for you. 900. Actually, Dad, you might need. That's a nice one. I forgot you need one. That's a nice one. That's a nice monitor. Everything's nice.
Yeah, I don't want to spend. I'm gonna wait till we find one in the storage.
I got more in the back.
How much you guys on this?
80, bro. The whole system.
All right. How much you asking the PS2? How much is the controller?
$10, $10.
You need the receiver as well.
Yeah. How much on the GameCube?
40.
And with that being said, if you guys watched this far, it means you guys watched my whole video. I say this every time, but if you guys have watched this far and watched my whole video, I really do appreciate you guys for that. I really do. Thank you guys so much for watching this far.